gandang view, guys.
Alam mo, ang ganda mo.
Hi guys, welcome sa Palawan. Tawag dito ang kanta ko ni Diana sa Pilipinas.
Salamat! Talaga!
Bawat mong tingin, ngunit ito.
Morning, guys! Morning walk in Puerto Princesa before leaving. Savannah, how are you finding Puerto Princesa? And now it's the last day, last morning actually.
It's actually nice and quiet. Like there's not much people, and the tour was good yesterday, so I like it.
Guys, people here are super sweet and nice. I really love like Puerto Princesa. Like I'm loving it. Hi po, ganda ng umaga. Now it's 7 in the morning. It's so quiet and nice, and actually the weather is so much nicer at that time because after that it gets pretty hot. So I would recommend you going out for a walk early in the morning. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, so talaga. Caught on camera.
Ayaw bagay sobra mong ganda talaga. Di ko alam hanggang kailan tayo. Di ko mabago ang ikot ng mundo.
Ingat, hi po!
Ay, sa mga dito
pwede.
ngayon na samahan nandyan, na pwede kayong bumisita dito sa Palawan.
Oo, ang ganda.
Open ito para sa inyo.
Hi po! Ay, ang cute yung aso. Guys, here we are sa Baywalk. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. Here, let go, let go, let go. Hi po! Gandang araw! At tignan nyo guys, ang cute! Ang ganda, promise, oh my god.
아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이
Guys, so we came here for breakfast, but oh my god, everything is closed. But still, we actually enjoyed the view. It's really nice. A lot of people were jogging around here, so if you want to jog, exercise, Zumba. We even saw people who just finished Zumba when we arrived. So it's so perfect to come here for such activities early in the morning while it's still not super duper hot. Guys, so we had breakfast here at Jollibee. It's actually done now. I'm gonna show you what we ate. It was basically the yam cheeseburger. It's so good, and pineapple juice. That's what's left. It's really good. And fries.
좋은 것만 내게 보여주고 싶은 거 나도 알아 근데 나는 게 더 좋은 걸 눈치 볼 필요도 없이 너를 만져도 되고 재밌는 영화도
In El Nido, it's our room. So we gotta stay here first with the room tour, and then here we can hang some clothes. Let's see the washroom. Ah, here more lights. Okay, that's actually nice. It's clean. A bed, of course. And this is the reason why I booked the hotel.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's so pretty!
So nice.
It's so pretty! I can't wait to win this view. I'm so excited. What do you think of that view?
So pretty. Wow.
Can you stay here forever?
So nice.
Oh my god, guys!
I would wear roses blue. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Every day would seem.
Guys, we're gonna get barbecue. Hi, ganda! Ang cute!
Oh, Mami Jai! Thank you po.
Thank you!
Yan, ganda.
Ang cute! Oh my god, they're so cute, you guys! Hi!
Hindi ko ay patawad. Alright.